Hey guys, it's Jesper. And this year I really tried my best, working the least amount of hours while generating a shit ton of money. And yes, it did work because as you guys can see on this store, we have generated 1.1 million GBP, which is 1.5 million USD. And on this store, in the last 4 months, we have generated over 509K in revenue, which is already combined 2 million in revenue this year. And the brand new store is doing 1K a day, which means 30K per month already on autopilot. And I've been all be doing this because I utilize AI, the best AI system in the world, which is Google. Google has the most advanced AI system in comparison to TikTok ads or Facebook ads. Why? Google has all the data from people that are buying products on their platform, which makes sense, right? You go to Google if you want to buy products. You're not going to Facebook or not going to TikTok. So this is why I've decided to completely shift to Google Ads dropshipping and leave Facebook ads and TikTok ads dropshipping behind. And since then, I've generated more than $10 million in revenue in the last 5 years doing this. This is why I created Freedom Achievers community, the #1 community teaching you how to make 1K per day in 90 days with Google Ads dropshipping. And people are actually printing with this system as well. Peter is doing 1K days, even a 2K day consistently without even working that hard. He literally says in here that he just wants to work as little as possible and print most as possible. Then of course we have Lucas hitting his first sale, Martin hitting his first 1K day, Rasvan hitting a 35K day. Sam is printing in the Polish market. Paul is making a 7K day with a ROAS of 3.19. Gerard is doing 437K in the last 30 days, which is insane. First sale. Here, Jarne is doing 11K per day. I can keep going, but they all utilize Google Ads dropshipping. They all utilize the Google Ads AI system because what's great at this system is instead of spam testing multiple products that you normally need to do with Facebook Ads dropshipping or TikTok Ads dropshipping, you now create one campaign, one big campaign, and you put all the products in there, and the AI of Google will find the customers, match it to your products, and it will create your own winning products. So now you're not anymore in this flywheel, in this rat race of finding winning products. Google's AI will do this for you. And even the best thing is we're not even listing products manually and making all these crazy copies and all these titles and this kind of, no, we utilize our own AI tool as well to list products from the competitor within seconds. Within seconds, we literally find hundreds of products from competitors. We use our own AI tool and boom, we have all the products on the store. So that's why we decided to do two things. First of all, it's getting too easy in Freedom Achievers to make money, so we're increasing our prices on Black Friday. On 1 minute before midnight, on Black Friday the 28th, we are increasing our prices from $199 a month to $349 a month, 75% price increase. The second thing that we decided is that we create a complete new program in Freedom Achievers, so the content will be completely updated to all the stuff that's needed for 2026, which is amazing. So we explain exactly how to utilize all the AI tools, all the AI systems to make your first 1K day as quick as possible. So we're gonna do a 90-day roadmap. This is already the new content in a dummy community that I will show you. So this is a sneak peek. You guys will see the first sneak peek of the new content. We will pick your market, we will pick your niche, and we're gonna find winning products. 46 minutes long, and I will find winning products for you, and I will share the list with you guys as well. Then, of course, we're gonna build the store and get the GMC approved. The good thing is, Georgi is doing this with us, and the store got actually disapproved for the Google Merchant Center, but we got it approved with some tactics, so the misrepresentation is gone. So we're gonna install the theme, create the trust pages, optimize the product and collection pages, and here we're gonna use the AI tool, for example. Here you guys see, we're using the AI tool to import products from competitors and literally just optimize them. And then, of course, we're gonna create the Google Ads system, we're gonna review the GMC stuff, and of course, launch that first magical PMAX campaign that will utilize fully the AI of Google. So this is already the new content that will go live soon in the classrooms of Freedom Achievers. The old Google Ads Masterclass will be renewed with this new content. This is why we have decided to increase prices with 75% on Black Friday, 1 minute before midnight. So guys, if you have been thinking about making money with dropshipping in 2026, but you're literally done with the rat race of finding winning products of Facebook, on TikTok, etc., then Google Ads is the way to go. But hey, don't wait too long because this video will be deleted in 48 hours because then the offer is gone. See you soon.